New Groove and Taper Lock commands. In ZW3D 2020, you can generate the groove and taper lock with less time and steps. Choose Groove command. Pick the core and the B plate. There are 3 different types of groove for users to choose from. Modify the parameters and get an intuitive preview. Done. Next, we will show the taper lock feature. Hide the irrelevant components and only display the core and cavity. Click Taper Lock commands. Pick the cavity and core. Define the location of the taper lock by picking a reference point. Define the direction. Modify the parameters and the preview will be updated simultaneously. Of course, the multiple taper locks can be created in one time. Finish and check the results. This is another type of the taper lock. With the new commands, users can create the groove and taper lock directly and easily.